Advanced manufacturing in Northern Nevada has had a tremendous growth over the last few years. Last year alone, it grew more than 20%.
To stay competitive, we have to engage with very sophisticated pieces of equipment with the latest software available on the market today. As an industry, we really have a huge need of individuals.
So this is where LEAP comes in. We are providing the workforce that industry needs. So we are responding directly to industry requirements.
This job definitely, starting out, beginner level, no experience, already pays better than my manager position at the fast food place I worked at.
So you are looking at an industry that pays an average wage of close to $57,000 a year.
I know that becoming a programmer definitely pays really well.
She wants to pursue this as a career, and so we encouraged her to engage with the LEAP program, taking classes that will advance her for the future.
I'm from Mexico. When I came here, my first job was housekeeping. I was afraid to go to school because I didn't know the system.
We want to show them that there is a career beyond what they're currently doing. Through the LEAP framework, it helps them to navigate that pathway forward.
A person can enter into the program while working or go to school full-time.
I was amazed because I didn't know this existed. I kept going to college and taking more classes.
My company has paid for all the costs, all the way through graduation.
As technologies change, as industry evolves, the LEAP framework adapts to it.
I have done things that I didn't know I was capable of.
There's a really big opportunity to grow here.
There's jobs for everyone, for every stage.
You just have to look for the opportunity. Don't pass it up.